This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and installing both pieces, the XDisplay app on your mobile device and the agent on your computer. Once done, plug the device with an original USB cable and, if Android, enable USB debugging in developer options. If iOS, tap Trust when prompted. Make sure the agent is running on your PC or Mac and that firewalls allow the app. This gets you connected at a system level, so the computer can stream the desktop to your tablet or phone. You now configure the connection. Open the agent on the computer and set a resolution and performance profile, matching your device to balance visual quality and responsiveness. On the mobile app, choose USB connection and select your computer if it does not auto-detect. Wait for the secure handshake. Once connected, make sure scaling and frame rate are tuned in the agent to avoid lag or cropping. If cursor or touch mapping feels off, toggle orientation or calibration options until touch corresponds with the on-screen pointer. Finish by verifying peripheral forwarding. Enable audio, keyboard, or touch forwarding in the agent if you need them. Test interactions and make small adjustments to resolution or performance for consistency. When you're done, disconnect from the app or quit the agent to avoid lingering processes. If things go wrong, first restart both devices and reconnect the cable. Make sure USB drivers are current and USB debugging or trust prompts were accepted. If problems persist, reinstall the agent and app to clear corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.